I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making Southern smoked turkey and bean soup. We will be eating in about an hour, so we better get started. In a soup pan on medium heat, I'm adding in a couple tablespoons of oil, 1 small diced onion, 2 diced stalks of celery, 1 large diced carrot, and a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. You know, the staples to making a great soup. Cooking and stirring for a couple minutes. This is 1 8-ounce package of sliced mushrooms. Cooking and stirring for 7 to 8 minutes or until the mushrooms cook down. Adding in 3 cloves of minced garlic, cooking and stirring for another minute. This is 4 cups of homemade chicken broth. Turning my heat up to bring this up to a simmer. I'm adding in a sprinkle more of black pepper and a bay leaf. For the beans, I'm using 1 40-ounce can of drained northern beans. Giving that a stir and adding in another cup of broth. This is a large smoked turkey thigh, and it will give this soup a great flavor. I gave it a good rinse with water and nestling it in the soup. Bringing this up to a simmer, covering and cooking for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes, giving everything a good stir, and I'm removing the bay leaf and turkey thigh. I'll cover the turkey thigh and let it rest for 15 minutes until it cools, and then I'll shred it into pieces for the soup. In the meantime, I'm tasting the soup for any seasonings. I'm adding in a sprinkle more black pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of parsley for a little brightness, and about 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and this is optional. Giving that a good stir and simmering for 5 minutes. Adding the shredded smoked turkey into the soup and stirring. Letting that simmer for a couple more minutes to heat the turkey through, and it's ready. This southern smoked turkey and bean soup is so easy and yummy. Not many ingredients, and the smoked turkey flavors the soup throughout, making it a hearty and comforting soup. A nice piece of homemade bread or a buttered corn muffin is a perfect match for this delicious soup. I hope you give this southern smoked turkey and bean soup a try, and enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!